Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Realme has unveiled its 108 megapixel camera technology and the company revealed it will come with the Realme 8 Pro. This also means there is a Realme 8 in the works and Mothership CEO at Realme has confirmed such a device exists. The professional posted a photo of the phone and its retail box, essentially revealing all major specs and phone features. The Realme 8 will come with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, which will be a first for the mid-range series. Up until now, the phone had LCD. The chipset will be Helio G95, which is not really an upgrade because it also came in the Realme 7. Other specs the Realme 8 inherited from its predecessor is the 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt dart charge. The camera once again is 64 megapixel, but the overall design of the setup is different. Now we have 4 shooters in a score formation, accompanied by a dual LED flash underneath. The back panel also has the huge sign dart to leave that Realme keeps putting on the phones for some reason. Interestingly enough, the photo is taken with a Realme 8 Pro, as evident by the watermark, but the image itself is nothing spectacular. It managed to focus on a tiny part of the retail box. However, the camera setup of the Realme 8, the specs on the retail box, or the face sunglasses of the cat are not on focus, raising questions about what exactly is the 108 megapixel technology doing and why is it so hard to provide a clear image in a controlled domain. For the second year in a row, Realme is hosting a camera innovation event. In 2019, the brand showcased its first 64 megapixel quad cam phone using Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 module, and this year we get to see the first 108 megapixel camera which will debut with the upcoming Realme 8 series. The sensor is question is Samsung's ISOCELL HM2 with 9 to 1 pixel binning tech and up to 3x lossless zoom. The ISOCELL HM2 is a 1 by 1.52 sensor with 0.7 pixel size and super PD autofocus. It can shoot stills at up to 12,000 by 9,000 pixel resolution and record video up to 4K 120 fps. Realme has developed several custom optimizations to the sensor which will be present on the upcoming Realme 8 Pro. Another Realme addition to the ISOCELL HM2 is tilt shift time lapse video, which uses an algorithm to capture tilt shift photos and videos. These photos simulate a mini world by keeping parts of the image out of focus. The new camera mode will allow you to select the angle position and box size directly from the camera setting and will also be able to add transition effect between blurred and clear areas. The Realme 8 Pro will be the first smartphone with the tilt shift video capture. Last but not least, we get a teaser of the Realme 8 Pro, back with its 4-camera sensor sitting on a score island. The back has a slight curvature and dart to leave branding with a satin-like finish. Connect it for more updates and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.